come to eat chicken and Baray. Baray and Cambodia, Siem Reap, Angkor Wat. Very good day.
Nice view today, Lake Baray. Just relaxing. Eating a little bit of chicken. I love everything. I'm getting hungry. What is this, bat or a fish? Duck. A little bit of everything out here. Frog. Oh yeah, they got frog, yeah. Oh, there's a nice little sitting there. Yeah, we can go in there, huh? Down here at Lake Baray. Get a little chow, but some locals have some boom boom music going, and you know, YouTube, they don't like that, so hard to film. What is it?
The same I made before.
Oh yeah, the YouTube video, yeah. You guys had to check out the YouTube, the last one we did there with a fool. She wrapped it in a barbecue.
Yeah, frog.
Oh, frog! Look at that. Now she's hungry.
Made me hungry for sure.
I got fish.
An egg over there.
Oh, I see that. Yeah, a little egg. Yeah, wow. Good stuff there.
No dog.
A little bit of everything. Good to see the tourist buses back in Cambodia. That means they're bringing in revenue. The plague kind of killed business for a lot of Cambodians, very bad, and they're still recovering slowly. A lot of the reason why we do YouTube is to get people to come out, visit Cambodia. Like a lot of countries, they were very hurt by that. A lot of people's livelihoods were lost. So yeah, we're just checking things out here. Oh, durian fruit. I can smell it already. I can smell it already. I thought I didn't wash my feet. But it's the durian fruit. You get a smell test?
I like that. But I see it now.
You gotta check it that way. Huh?
Yeah.
Make sure it's not rotten. My pre-made right here. Oh my god, it's pungent. Smells like dirty egg.
I like to eat. Korean, Cambodian khmer. ABA man. $35
Just slice and dice for you. She's gonna chunk it out.
This one and expensive for 1 kilo, like $6.
Oh.
Yeah, I buy this one, you know, like $9. 1 kilo.
Oh my goodness. A lot of it's on the shell.
Yeah, expensive.
The weight. Yeah. Where does it come from? Is it grown in Cambodia or?
Cambodia terrain, bong.
Imported.
This one from Thailand. Yeah.
Thailand, import, okay.
But from Thailand and sorry, in like come to sell Cambodian people come to sell like 1 kilo, like $6. But Manthong and Cambodian like $7, $8, and yeah, and Korean and Cambodian expensive more. Yeah. Mango.
Oh, your favorite. Monkey lady.
Number one. Number one for me. Okay. Come ABA.